I-government it will no longer accept flights are coming in from Palestine unannounced. Yabo. So recently, a Minister of Foreign Relations, Mr. Ronald Lamula, ati lama flights langa which have been coming to the country from a Palestine is coordinated by Israel, yabo, with the intent of dispossessing Palestinians of their land, yabo. So as sonke sazi ukuthi from 1948 Palestinians have been under siege from Israel, yabo, with the aim of dispossessing Palestinians of their land, yabo. And it seems ukuthi manje in this new phase Palestinians call it the second phase of Inakba, which is the moving of Palestinians from Palestine to third countries, yabo. So recently as a country we received two flights coming in from Israel or Palestine carrying Palestinians, yabo. The first one had 170 Palestinians and I think 170 remained, and the recent one had 160 Palestinians and 153 remained, yabo. Lama Palestinians lanka, they firstly mebagibela in the flights abazi ukuthi bayaphi, yabo. So like they are being moved nje, not by force per se, mara they are being moved to anywhere, you understand? Like they don't have a choice ukuthi where they are going, because the aim is not to take them in the is secure. The aim is to get them out of Israel, out of Palestine. Khona Israel as njoba isho ukuthi umhlaba lo ya Palestine is their place from God. Khona Israel izophatha lo mhlaba in peace. You understand? So Israel does everything with the help of AEL Maja, like as a third country which is responsible for moving labantu laba, yabo. So kahle what happens is labantu EL Maja i-charge abantu aba-skilled, not just anyone, abantu aba-skilled who can come from maybe a middle class, upper class nyana, yabo, ukuthi whom can afford a flight to move endaweni ye-stream, yabo. So i-Almaja ithatha labo bantu labo, such as ama-doctor, such as ama-lawyer, ama-teacher, everyone who is skilled, and moving them out of Israel, yabo. So the aim is not only to move abantu to a third country, but is to actively de-skill i-Palestinian. Khona in the future coming years i-Palestinian ingeke izibe nabo enough doctors, enough teachers, or enough skilled people abazokwazi maintain and sustain the economy, yabo. So like the aim of this entire thing of moving our Palestinians is ukubathathela umhlaba and ukubadiskilla, yabo, to take their land and to de-skill them, you understand? So when what do you think about that thing?